I was told that by keeping quiet, I was actually keeping the peace.
And whose peace exactly?
You've probably been trying to preserve your own peace because one of three things usually happens when you tell the truth. One, people ignore you. That doesn't feel good. You want to be seen. Two, well, people are going to see you, but they're going to fight you. They're going to be frustrated with you. They're going to tell you bad things about yourself because they don't like what you're talking about. Three, well, they're going to try and shut you up. They're actually going to actively turn to tell you to hurt you so that you stop talking about the truth. So, of course, you would want to keep the peace for your own self. So, if you've done that, okay, fine. Great. You protected yourself. You've got to do that. I've done it too. But what I want to do is help you get into the right places to make the meaningful connections. And you can't do that unless you face those things, unless you start talking about the truth of who you are and how you feel about your experiences and being alive.